morning, my dear students. So this class, fourth chapter, okay, uses of computers. So last class we discussed about keyboard. So today we will discuss about the uses of computers. Nowadays computers are used in many areas, isn't it? We can't see a place or office without computers. So all the records, everything they are keeping in computers only. Before computers, they are keeping it as in a notebook or papers. Now they are keeping everything. That means the records, everything they are maintaining in the computer system only. Why? It has large amount of space. It can store more data. Okay, and so we are using it in a two types, isn't it? So personal use. First one is the personal use, second one is the business use. So personal use means that some of this personal use same. Do you have any idea about the personal users? So what is my business users? Uh, yeah, business use means railway station, hospitals, offices. These are the business users. So personal use means say thing and same as some of the personal use. What are the personal uses you are using? Yes, ma. Listen to music. Yes. Then play games, watch cartoon movies, do your school projects. Once again, ma. Listen to music, then play games, watch cartoon movies, play games. Sorry, do your school project. Isn't it? So listen to music means if you are by using this computer you can listen to music. Then play games means by using your joystick you can also play games, otherwise the help of the keyboard you can play games. Then watch cartoon movies means yes, you can watch cartoon movies by using this computer. Then school, some of the school projects now they are giving the project, doing the project by using this computer only. Then also many users are there. These are using as an entertaining purposes. Okay, entertaining purpose means uh, that makes us fun or entertaining. Okay, so the what's the next one? What's the next one, ma? Business use, isn't it? Personal use, then the next one is business use. So what are the business use, ma? Yeah, hospitals, banks, then offices, railway stations, shops, designing, space research, publishing. These are the some of the business uses. So in every section, that means for every field, that is engineers, doctors, students, teachers, government officers using computers to perform specific tasks or entertainment to complete their work faster. Why they are using this computer, ma? They can also do the work, but the help of this computer only they are making their work faster. Okay, so if they makes 10 minutes means this computer can do in 2 seconds or 5 minutes. 5 minutes no needed. Okay, so 10 minutes means before 2 or 3 minutes it will complete the work. So only all the stage, that is all the sectors, they are using this computer. So first we will see about the school. Okay, the school, or they are using in the school they are using to create timetables, circulars and notices. Then they keep fee record, mainly they are using for the fee record, and many students record also. If you are studying in the school means if you tell your name means automatically they will search your name and they will tell the details of your name. Then some of them track of books in library. In the library, okay, mainly in the library, if you are asking any book means if you tell the name means by the name they will search and tell in the rack this self that book is there, they will give the correct information. For teaching also they are using. Teaching means by using the smart board they are teaching. Your smart board is next user by the computer only. Okay, smart board is also another type of computer only. Okay, so what are the things, ma? Once again tell me. To create timetables, circulars and notices. Okay, one by one study. Okay, The next one is railway station and the airports. The next place is under the business use. The next one is railway station and the airports. How it works in the railway station? Yes, it helps us in booking tickets and then providing information about the arrival and the departure of trains and planes. Arrival and the departure means when it arrives, then when it's moving. Okay, suppose from Chennai to Kanyakumari means, sorry, Trivandrum means what is the time, whether the train or this aeroplanes were here or they departure. Okay, everything, the details by using this system only we can see. System means by this computer only we can notice. So what are things ma? Helps in booking tickets, then providing informations about the arrival and the departure timing of trains and planes. Okay, the next one is banks, isn't it? So the banks, so they are using, so in the bank also it helps us to keep the details of customers bank accounts. Okay, the computers are used to store the customers bank accounts, and it also helps us to withdraw and deposit money. Okay, withdraw. Now what they are doing, by ATM only we can withdraw, and by ATM only we can also deposit money. Okay, so what is my ATM? ATM means automated teller machine. Okay, automated teller machine. So what's the use ma? It is used to store the details of customers bank accounts. Okay, the second one is it can helps us to withdraw and deposit money using a machine. So what's the name of that machine? ATM. Okay, so the next one is next use hospitals, isn't it? So in the hospitals also the computer helps us to keep the records of patients only. Records of patients means, records means and the details of the patient. Then also they are using in the identifying diseases. Okay, certain diseases they can finding by using this computer only. Then such operations that is they are using. Then medical reports, if you are taking scan, and then the medical reports by using this computer only we are getting. Okay, so what are the things ma? First one, records of patients, maintain records of patients in the hospital. The next one, and they used in the laboratories to identify diseases. Okay, identify diseases of patients, then helping performing operations. Third one is operations, and then you also used to prepare the medical reports. These are the four. Okay, so once again tell me ma, records of patients, identify diseases in laboratories. Third one is operation. Fourth one is medical reports. The next one is making films. Okay, making films means computer sensing, creating animations. What is my animation ma? Preparing lively cartoons. As you know, what are the cartoons you are seeing in the TVs? Dora, then what are the as you know what some of the cartoons, Tom and Jerry, these are the some of the cartoons, isn't it? So these cartoons are making use of these computers only. Okay, moving. So animation is the process of preparing lively cartoons. So by using this computer only they are preparing this animation cartoons, and then they are displaying in the television, isn't it? The TV only was seeing this cartoons, isn't it? How they are making, see, by using this computer only. So it is the main concept here using animations. Okay, then the next place, which place, in offices. So what's the use of computers in offices? So everything now in every places, in every offices, we can't see a offices without these computers, isn't it? So for the first use, type and print documents. Then they can also send mail. Okay. Then the third one, CD and DVD. CD and DVD means by using the CD and DVD, they can store a lot of information. Okay. Otherwise, they have to a bulk of space is needed. Then the next one, shops. Okay, the next one is shops. So how in the shops, how they are using used in shops and stores, maintain the details of their goods and print bills and receipts. Details of the goods, what are the goods they are having, and print bills and receipts. Okay. Not the designing one, designing. So designing, it helps in the designing clothes, designing building and houses, and designing machines. Okay, they are used by the architect to design builds and houses. Then you can also use to design machines. Machines such means cars, aeroplanes. These are the machines. Then the next one is space research. Space research means it is used in launching rockets, satellites, then etc. And also, so if a rocket is sent means we have to control it, isn't it? So by using this only computer only we are controlling. Okay. Then what's the last one? Publishing. Okay, they are used in design studios and publishing houses to design and print the newspapers, publishing magazines and the books. Okay, ma. Thank you.